Focus. Alright guys, good morning. And we are heading to a lunch date with this girl right here. Nice jacket.
I know, right? Guess where I got it from?
Ross.
No. Target.
Oh.
Tarjay.
Tarjay?
Kids section.
What you doing?
Guapo.
Alright, preparing to go somewhere. Alexa, what's the weather in Renton, Washington?
In Renton, Washington, it's 55 degrees with partly sunny skies. Today, you can look for showers, with a high of 55 degrees and a low of 43 degrees.
Wow, sunny and then showers. I'll be right back because I will be the driver. As always. See ya!
How deep can we go? 'Cause you're pulling me straight down.
Hello! Oh my God, putik akong dagway. Hi everyone. We are heading out. Go on a lunch date with Chris and Gladys. Yes! It's a buffet. So, we didn't eat. No, not really. We ate breakfast, right?
Yeah, but it is sunny. Look, the weather. It's sunny, man.
What's the relationship
sunny,
between
man.
breakfast and sunny?
Hallelujah, it's sunny, man. Yeah. Turn
Yeah,
up those
but it's
clouds.
still
They move so
cold.
fast.
It's sunny, but it's still cold.
I know, it feels like 7 o'clock and the time right now is 12:30.
I know. You know what's funny? So yesterday, at 4 o'clock, it was already dark.
Not really 4, like
It was
3 or
4.
5.
It was 4. It was already dark. And I'm like, oh my God. I look at the time. 4. This is it. I'm going to brace myself for winter. Bring it on. Bring it on.
Winter, here we go. Golden place. No snow and
Alright, see you guys later. Come along with us, okay? Let's eat. Eat all you can.
Eat all day long.
It's an all-you-can-eat buffet. See you later. Bye. Okay, guys, so we just got here. So it's called the feast. The feast. Yes.
So we can well, I'm so alive. Baby, it hurts. Forget about the end. We already gave in. I'm so alive. Baby, it hurts. There ain't no doubt.
Busog ko. Oh my God, nagka-double chin good ko. So we just got done eating at the buffet. It's called the feast. Like really, it's a feast. There's just a choke food everywhere. Oh my God, the food!
How much is it?
It's only $14.99 per person, and it's all you can eat. Like really, we went inside around 1 o'clock and we just got done 2:45. I probably have like 4 plates. Ikaw, how about you?
Maybe 2.5.
No, I don't believe you.
Because
Probably
the other half you took it. No,
No,
just kidding.
I think I have 4. I have 4 total. It's really good. So right now we are heading to, where are we going?
We're going to Fry.
Fries.
Fry? I don't know.
Fries. I
It's
think.
an electronics
It's an
store
electronics store.
here at downtown Renton.
A slight left turn onto Logan Avenue South. 3/4 of a mile. Turn right onto North 8th Street. 450 feet. The destination is on your right.
Oh my God, it's so cold in here. Fry Electronics. Only Fry Electronics here at Washington. I don't know what's inside. It's my first time to go there. So yeah. Happy birthday to you. Alexa, play Christmas song.
Here's a station for Christmas music, holiday classics.
Oh, by gosh, by golly, it's time for mistletoe and holly, three sides covered with snow. Oh, by gosh, by overeating, merry grieving.
Alexa, stop.
From
Merry Christmas.
And Thanksgiving coming.
We just got home.
To wrap up this day, it is nice. The weather is raining.
Of course.
It's going to
I think I have
winter.
I have a feeling it's gonna snow this winter.
I hope
White Christmas.
is falling in the stars. I like my camera right now. It focused myself. It's a wrap, guys. So thank you for watching. Hope you still continue watch our vlogs. If you have some suggestions, negative reactions, please do so. Comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe in this channel right here. And my second channel right here. And this our previous vlog in this side. And mabuhay. Good night.
Bye. Good night.
Hello? Hello?